Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How old are you?
I am 13 years old.
What is today's date?
Today is January 24th, 2025.
What day is it today?
It's Friday.
What time is it now?
It's 9:30 a.m.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, Sarah.
What is the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
How many continents are there?
There are 7 continents.
What subject do you like the most?
I like science the most.
Why do you like science?
Because I enjoy doing experiments.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
How do you spend your weekends?
I spend my weekends reading books.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
What do you watch on TV?
I watch cartoons.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Emily.
What do you and Emily do together?
We play games and study together.
Where does your family live?
We live in New York.
Do you visit your grandparents?
Yes, I visit them every weekend.
What do you do at family gatherings?
We eat, talk, and play games.
Who cooks at home?
My mom cooks most of the time.
What grade are you in?
I am in 5th grade.
Who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Mrs. Brown.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is mathematics.
What do you bring for lunch?
I bring sandwiches and fruits.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What is the name of your school?
The name of my school is Green Valley School.
How many students are there in your class?
There are 30 students in my class.
Do you have a library in your school?
Yes, we have a big library.
What do you do during recess?
I play with my friends.
What is the largest planet in our solar system?
The largest planet is Jupiter.
How many days are there in a year?
There are 365 days in a year.
What is the national animal of the United States?
The national animal is the bald eagle.
What is 7 multiplied by 8?
It is 56.
Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
William Shakespeare wrote it.
What is the boiling point of water?
It is 100 degrees Celsius.
What is the largest ocean on Earth?
The largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean.
What are the primary colors?
They are red, blue, and yellow.
How many legs does a spider have?
A spider has 8 legs.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a scientist.
Why do you want to be a scientist?
Because I want to invent new things.
Where would you like to travel in the future?
I would like to visit Japan.
What do you want to study in college?
I want to study engineering.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to work at NASA.
Do you want to learn any new languages?
Yes, I want to learn Spanish.
What skills do you want to improve?
I want to improve my drawing skills.
Do you want to participate in any competitions?
Yes, I want to participate in a spelling bee.
Would you like to start a business someday?
Yes, I would like to open a bookstore.
How do you plan to achieve your goals?
I will study hard and never give up.
If you could fly, where would you go?
I would fly to the moon.
If you had a magic wand, what would you do?
I would make everyone happy.
If you could meet a famous person, who would it be?
I would like to meet Albert Einstein.
If you were invisible, what would you do?
I would explore a castle.
What would you do if you found a treasure chest?
I would share the treasure with my family.
If you could live underwater, what would you see?
I would see colorful fish and coral reefs.
If you could be an animal, which one would you be?
I would be a bird so I could fly.
If you could time travel, where would you go?
I would go to the time of dinosaurs.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Who is the author of that book?
The author is J.K. Rowling.
What type of books do you like to read?
I like to read adventure books.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Who is your favorite character in that movie?
My favorite character is Elsa.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like animated movies.
Do you watch movies with your family?
Yes, we watch movies on weekends.
Do you read comics?
Yes, I enjoy reading comics.
What is your favorite comic book?
My favorite is Spider-Man.
What season do you like the most?
I like spring the most.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like to play in the rain.
What do you do on your birthday?
I celebrate with my family and friends.
Do you believe in fairies?
Yes, I think they are magical.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help them clean the house.
Do you recycle at home?
Yes, we recycle paper and plastic.
What do you want to learn this year?
I want to learn how to swim.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
What are you grateful for?
I am grateful for my family.
What is the most important thing in life?
The most important thing is kindness.
What is one thing you want to improve?
I want to improve my handwriting.
Who inspires you the most?
My mother inspires me the most.
Do you like coming to school?
Yes, I love coming to school.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with my family makes me happy.
What do you want to do after school today?
I want to play with my friends.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will study and finish my homework.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.